Hey everybody, it's Jason, and in today's video we're going to be covering the 4 different type of shave brush options you have available. The first option we're going to be covering is synthetic brushes, and we'll be focusing on the Rockwell cruelty-free synthetic shave brush. The second option are the boar hair bristle brushes from Omega of Italy. The third option, again cruelty-free, are horsehair brushes from V-Long of Spain. And the fourth option is we'll be talking a little bit about badger shave brushes. Okay, first type of shave brush are cruelty-free synthetic brushes. Now, Rockwell has a really great quality synthetic brush, fantastic packaging, excellent price point. Historically, synthetic shave brushes weren't very good, but they are now excellent quality. What's happened really is there's been a lot of evolution in the fiber types, so they have a great crinkle, which means they're able to pick up and release water and make a fantastic fiber. They also have that nice faux badger look, entirely cruelty-free, perfectly fits the bill. High recommendation for these. The second type of shave brush are boar hair bristle brushes. That's also a pig bristle, okay? Now, the company that's the best manufacturer of these is Omega of Italy. They've been manufacturing shave brushes, especially boar hair bristle brushes, for a very long time. The boar hair bristle is not a cruelty-free option, obviously, but what it is it's an extremely strong fiber. So it is a bit rougher on the skin. The guys who might want to use it on a hard soap sometimes like that it digs into the hard soap, and it does, in fact, get a bit softer over time. The issue is Omega has a lot of different options in terms of handle styles and different shapes, beautiful different Italian design at a really low price point because these are boar hair bristle brushes. So if you're looking for kind of sharp price points and lots of options in boar hair bristle brushes, Omega is your best choice. Okay, so the next type of brushes are horsehair brushes, and they come from V-Long of Spain. They are cruelty-free because the hairs are a natural byproduct of combing the horse's manes and tails. So they're a great option. You'll see horsehair brushes are available in a number of different colors, including the black, the brown, the blonde, and in terms of top sellers, this style, the Couture with the wood base and metal and then the top, is really one of our best sellers. So if you are looking for cruelty-free brushes in a variety of different styles and sets, we highly recommend the V-Long assortment. Okay, the next type of brush we're going to talk about is badger brushes. Now, badger brushes were historically the most common kind of fiber being used. What you're finding now is that you have lots of options for brushes, but badger brushes, of course, are still very popular, especially among aficionados. Key thing I want to point out about badger brushes, there's many different grades that affect the price point, and part of what has to do is where the fiber comes from on the animal and how soft it is. In terms of actual performance whipping up a lather, they're all typically the same. It's really about how soft you want the brush. One way to identify that is the grade between what's called a gray badger brush. This is a brush that has kind of a darker color throughout the brush versus a silver tip brush or a super badger brush, which has finer kind of silver tips and is a little bit softer. So the real difference between the badger brushes is about where the fiber comes from on the animal and therefore how soft it is. And you'll see different options there. We carry these brushes from Progress Volfix and have multiple different models at different price points. But if you are looking for a badger shave brush, these totally fit the bill. Okay, last tip. If you're carrying shave brushes, you want to make sure that you're carrying shave brush stands. Purpose of these is to store your brushes and make them look attractive in the bathroom, but also that you're storing your brushes after you use them upside down. It means basically that when you're storing a brush upside down, the water is able to completely drain out of the base so that it doesn't kind of, affect the glue that holds the brush together, makes the brush last a lot longer. Your top option is this 3-piece shave gift set. And really, it's a universal stand, also known as the 3-piece stand. What this stand does is allows you to pair the double-edged safety razor and the brush together. Because we love double-edged safety razor shaving, it's a great option. A lot of guys using brushes will also have a double-edged safety razor, so it fits the bill, available in chrome and in a black color, and we have additional colors coming. The second type is just your simple counter stand. Again, universal, and it just is nice, chromed or black stand that sits on the counter. And then your last one is the plastic stands. Now, they can kind of work by themselves, but the nice thing about these is that they do have a mount in the back with screw holes that you can use to mount in the shower. So if you are shaving in the shower and you want to have a brush in the shower, these fit the bill. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in carrying any of these products in your retail shop, please contact us at permabrands.com or if you're a barber or barbershop, at barbersupplies.com.